Our Lady of Good Counsel, Latin, Mater Boni Consilii, is a revered title given to the Blessed Virgin Mary, inspired by a painting considered miraculous. This artwork resides in a 13th century Augustinian church in Genazzano, near Rome, Italy. The tale began in 1467, when a widow named Petruccia led a church restoration but ran out of funds before completion. During the Feast of St. Mark, amid celebrations, the townspeople heard heavenly music. A mysterious cloud descended on the church's unfinished wall. As it dispersed, it revealed a stunning fresco of the Virgin Mary holding the Christ child. The fresco, no thicker than a postcard and no larger than 18 inches square, was believed to have miraculously moved from a church in Scutari, Albania, just before the Ottoman invasion. The Augustinian Order spread veneration of this image. In 1753, Pope Benedict XIV founded the Pious Union of Our Lady of Good Counsel. On April 22, 1903, Pope Leo XIII added the invocation Mater Boni Consilii to the Litany of Loreto, cementing its place in religious tradition.